On YouTube, and we're back with a spur of the moment video. As you can see, the camera is shaking.
Yeah, we're in the car.
Yes, so we're heading home now, just coming from work, both of us, and we're gonna actually stop and get some like jerry chicken, some soup, some street food, and we're gonna show you street food in Portmore, or our evening after work, something to that extent. So I came up with an idea and we're like, let's go for it. So we're going for it. So sit back, enjoy the ride with us, enjoy some of our namings, and let's go.
Right?
Yeah.
An officer late order. So the man say, alright, may I go drop off them and go back for your one.
Okay.
One box of rice and gravy the man carry back.
Who that?
Yesterday, we buy food, officer order pork ribs. Barbecue pork ribs. Officer get barbecue gravy and rice.
So not one.
No meat. So you bring back out, me remember.
That happened to Shadeka with that burger, no meat.
I'm gonna go Wendy's. People, my order one Wendy's burger, and there was nothing but dry lettuce
One box of rice.
tomato. No meat. Straight BLT. Them give me. Yeah, we could drive go back. We reach home for nothing. We could drive go back. Best believe it did.
So then you gave them back the bun?
Yes, and then put one nice piece of meat in there.
So the lady make officer keep the box of rice and send extra piece of meat. So after I get 2 food.
I can't freaking bother.
You know you always do that.
Yeah, but so all them will just walk and look and then decide. So let's not look too direct, you know, because the money, you know, watch the man and him fridge.
But fee pan lock.
Yeah, so
No lock back.
no, so fee, that means him not get no sales. Alright, Renee Road.
See a white man in chicken. The fact that him white in chicken is supposed to look nice. So I call him a bit. No sorry, but we too early at this.
No, so some nice jerk chicken there. Let me go around. That means let me walk around.
Yeah, give that.
So y'all go way up this way. I guess we can look, not no wrong. But which one look good so far to you? Which one they look good so far to you?
Look for all man.
Alright.
No, sir, look like a cobbler.
You don't need to try.
Jerk chicken.
7 bills.
A pound? Quarter? 7 and quarter.
So how much for the pound then? Or how much for the pound?
How much for the pound? Yeah. How much for it?
2,800 Orain.
2,800.
And that you must say that is too expensive. You want to look somewhere else? Or is it that we need this down here? So guys, we're turning back. The man that we walked and saw like $700 per quarter pound.
Chicken look good, but
And we're trying to buy a pound, so that is just too expensive for us. So we are making our way go right back down and see what we can get for cheap from. Okay?
there was the next man right there, so feel come and look bad, so we're going to check.
Alright, we're going to check. So people, like, things expensive, but $700 for a quarter. So we're going to go with half pound and never get, we call it, soup we drink afterwards. So we're going back for a long walk to get the piece of nice jerk chicken. Oh,
One leg at time, one leg
no, the two leg and tie.
You can get that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, give
Yeah.
me
Put them together.
Yeah.
that. And the same bag you put in there?
Yeah, same bag.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
Alright people, so we get the jerk chicken. We try to get soup, but them never have the chicken soup we want. Them only have conch and red pea soup.
Red pea soup with chicken and beef in it. I don't like red pea soup.
Shadeka kind of like red peas. We don't drink the conch, but I say my decision would be based on mommy and Shadeka because them don't want it, so I'm not going to buy it. Yeah, so we are go home now. And I guess when we reach home, we end off the vlog.
Yeah, we're going to probably show a little bit.
Yeah, so we're going to show a little bit more. And then, but when we reach home, we end the vlog. So, thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking around.
Continue sticking around.
Yeah, continue.
And watch the ads, people. We are enough the video for sir.
We're not enough the video. We just remind the people to do the do. You know?
Alright, do the do's.
Yeah.
Oh, the dog. No, make it don't want ball out from that hour. Oh my God.
Huh? Black sauce. Barbecue sauce,
So everything can start in Orain.
Yes,
You know what really believe in it, yeah?
you know, you always love us.
Oh. Yeah, well, you know, I guess so, yeah.
I want a cup as well, hear me, boss? Huh? One cup for me as well, please. So me, if you get them, so me I say, what you talk about, man? Man, them in a suitcase. I mean, yeah, put on. I have the thing there. The chef jacket and the big pants.
Mommy, I tell Orain, so him can start out. Mommy, you know, so him just service him in the bar line, you know. So him service, we call it Southborough and Bridgeport. It does alone make him belly full, you know. Guys, so we're back at the house now, so we kind of, you know, couldn't know how things taste.
Yeah.
We have a local Pepsi for wash this down, so we're going to start, or we're going to start off with the soup, and we're going to start off with the jerk, and then we're going to switch.
So we'll start off first. Me give me a review first.
Yeah, I'm going to taste it out, but I'm not the biggest fan of red pea soup. He said this is red pea soup with chicken foot, so let's see how this tastes. You know, with usual jerky, you know,
It look like other meat tonight.
Yeah, I think beef in it.
Other than chicken. It thick though, no? Right?
Thick.
Alright. First taste. You can go on. Not bad. Need some salt.
Need some salt, it's pressure. Mommy for the high blood pressure. Alright, people.
Soup nice.
Soup nice.
So the second jerk man, where still go? That's the way the soup nice.
So this is jerk man now.
It doesn't smell bad. Okay.
I'm not eat bad.
Not eat bad, but is it nice?
I think nothing can touch Portland jerky.
Yeah.
I don't think nothing can touch that, but it's good. It's good. It's good. So if you want, you know you're not rich a country anytime soon, you want your jerky chicken, you can eat. You can eat it.
Spinach and nice soup, soft and nice. I'll come and I'll do that.
Time for the food, too.
Looks like your remote.
ASMR.
No, but with that, we don't have no ASMR people around here. Anyways,
Switch up.
so I'll go on for this. You know, it tastes bad. Not the best.
But they say it can't touch Portland. Nothing can touch Portland jerky. I'm just.
It was. No.
It wants some more spice. Yeah?
Them and just mean with the spice.
Yeah, it want more spice.
With the seasoning and so on.
Let me tell you, next time we're gonna try. See the man I buy the soup from. If him only really smell good, so we're gonna try him next. And it seems like he does something a little bit different where him add barbecue sauce. So
it just tastes. Yeah.
So.
That's what it tastes. It can eat, but I know not if you say, whoa, nice.
Yeah.
But
it
can eat.
I'm not sure something I have no idea to taste.
From the chicken foot.
I guess it's okay. And orange, they probably salt.
Yep.
But I don't like red peas overall, and I'm not crying, so I guess it's it's okay.
This is one spice. But it's good.
But it's not bad. The more I drink, it's not bad.
Alright, guys, so you saw us go to the place. Well, you see, we left from Kingston, coming to Portmore.
No, I don't.
You see, we get the chicken. You see, we buy the soup. You see, we taste it. You get a reaction. So, with that being said, you have made it to the end of the video. If you're not yet subscribed to us, please subscribe. Like the video. You know, if you're an OG viewer, you know, the usual like the video. Comment.
Drop a comment. Even just say here, guys. Help.
Yeah, you can say here, say hello.
You know.
Say something in the comments. Once you're watching, just say something.
And don't free to talk more than one time in the comments. We have a response to every single one of them. So,
I could have hi, we will say hi back. We can wave anything. So yeah, the usual, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Orain and Shadeka forever. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you in the next one, guys.
Bye.